Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a colorful Lucky Star banner, perfect for a kid's room or a party. And we're using Fairfield World Oly.Fun fabric and polyfill high loft batting. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a Lucky Star banner. This banner would look great on a kid's headboard or as a decoration for a birthday party. It's really up to you. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to check out fairfieldworld.com. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.